So this is week 1, 5 weeks of Latin club dancing. Only 1 week of merengue, which is our first week together. It's a really easy 4-count marching dance. So let's just march side by side. And you're going to kind of lift and dip the hip. It's all about hips in Latin. Trying to keep the shoulders nice and straight. And we're just marching with those hips. We're just going to bend that knee a little bit. We bring a hip up, next hip up. And then we can partner up. This is open position. There's a couple handholds you can try. So we're going to march together here. And it's kind of the come to me, go away to me. I also like to do this handhold where I kind of have my thumb in her palm. This is kind of a bit of a different handhold that I enjoy in merengue. And then we're going to try some inside-outside turns, both lead and follow. In the follow, I'll do an outside turn for Katie. Okay, I'll do an outside turn for myself, always marching. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We try with the other hand, outside turn. Outside turn for me. We can try some inside turns, and that would be to the midline of her body or mine. Inside turn for me. Okay, another, here we go. Do an inside turn for myself. You can also do a cross-handed turn, where I'm going to take both of her hands up and over. Instead of just one, I'm going to bring them up and over to the side. I'm going to bring them over, I'm going to bring them down. I'm going to bring them back. And we'll be back in basic open position. And for our grand finale move of the night, I'm going to do a cross-handed turn followed by a fan in closed position merengue. So I'm going to bring them up and over, and then I'm going to do a break, and I'm going to do a fan over my head, connect with her, and go into closed position merengue. I'll do it from a couple different vantage points so you can see. Up and over, connect, fan, connect in closed position, and keep marching. And that is your grand finale for merengue.